AYANEO Geek shipping in December, handheld gaming PCs with Ryzen 7. Handheld gaming PC maker AYA says its first models powered by AMD Ryzen 7 processor and Radeon 680M graphics will begin shipping in December. Customers in China may get their hands on units in November. The AYANEO 2 is a handheld computer with a 7-inch display, at least 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, built-in game controllers, and Windows 11 software, as well as support for a Linux-based OS called AYANEO OS. Meanwhile, the AYANEO Geek is a cheaper model with a similar design, but a few changes meant to make this device a little more affordable, while the AYANEO 2 and AYANEO Geek look pretty similar. There are a few key differences while help explain why prices for the AYANEO 2 start at $949 during crowdfunding. Common features across both models include 50.25 Wh batteries, support for up to 32 GB of LPDDR5-6400 memory, and up to 2 GB of PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSDs. You'll need to supply your own with the Geek though, as it ships with a PCIe 3 SSD, support for Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. AYANEO 2 handheld console also features a 7-inch 1080p screen, giving it an advantage over the Steam Deck 800p resolution screen. It will be equipped with a new single fan, a dual copper pipes cooling structure that will prevent it from overheating and make it comfortable to carry. It will also have Windows 11 installed out of the box. The AYANEO 2 has been in development for a while now and will be a significant upgrade over the previous console. The portable console's future is unknown, but we hope everything goes as planned for the best. What do you think about the AYANEO 2 console launching at the end of September? Let us know in the comments section. AYANEO has outlined more details about the AYANEO 2 Geek. Now called the AYANEO Geek, the device sits within its own product category and will be available in a striking violet transparent color option. Pricing has changed from AYANEO's initial announcement too. Geek will launch via a crowdfunding campaign before moving to the company's website. ET. According to 𝐀𝐘𝐀𝐍𝐿, the AYANEO Geek will start at between $725 and $750 in the US, also likely early bird prices. Based on recent AYANEO product launches, the AYANEO Geek will launch via a crowdfunding campaign before moving to the company's website. AYANEO has outlined more details about the AYANEO 2 Geek. Now called the AYANEO Geek, the device sits within its own product category and will be available in a striking violet transparent color option. Pricing has changed from AYANEO's initial announcement too. Based on several Weibo posts, AYANEO has decided to separate the device into a dedicated product category, making it the first in the AYANEO Geek series. Fundamentally, the AYANEO Geek is an AYANEO 2 product though, with the company boasting that it has the same large Hall effect joystick as the AYANEO 2. Incidentally, the AYANEO Geek has Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, along with a fingerprint sensor and USB for connectivity.